dito sa programang Siksik sa Impormasyon at Bigatin sa Kaalaman. Kasama ang inyong mga kabarkada na sina Den Macaranas, Arnie Barcelo, Angel Bonifacio at Ellison Barcelo. Bigatin Radio. Sa Bigatin, bigatin ka talaga!
Magandang morning! Welcome sa Bigatin!
Are you looking for the hottest gadgets, the latest fashion accessories, the most sumptuous buffets, or the best travel packages? Bigatindeals.com offers unbelievable deals, promotions, and discounts that will let you live more for less. Bargain hunting online has never been this fun, easy, and rewarding. Visit Bigatindeals.com today. Live big. Be a Bigatin.
Ang galing naman! A perfect place for relaxation. You can choose from among an array of room designs depending on your mood. You can expect privacy, security, comfort, and convenience. Hotel Sogo is affordable and offers great services. Secured parking, 24-hour food and beverage service, and free Wi-Fi. Relax only at Hotel Sogo. Have a worry-free experience? Come at Hotel Sogo. So clean, so good. Feel and experience.
May bibilin ka ba? Baka naman may gusto kang ibenta. Log on na sa bigatintrade.com. Nasa internet na, nasa radyo pa. Basta bigatin, bigatin ka talaga. Naghahanap ka ba ng magandang pasyalan? Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng maraming friends? Join na sa pinakabagong social networking site, Bigatin.com, ang photo sharing site ng Pilipinas. Upload na! Bigatin talaga!
You shut it out, but I can't hear a word you say.
10:07 is our time. Welcome po sa Bigatin dito po sa Inquirer Radio 990 AM. Of course, Sabado. Ano na ba tayo ngayon? March 8. Naku, sa mga naman second Saturday na ho tayo para ho sa March 2014. Wala si Ellison. Daya. Sabi niya darating siya. May kasama ako rito, si Ma'am Arnie, pero ano siya ngayon? Minarapat niyang manahimik muna. Meron, may boses ka, narinig ko. Oh, yan. At dahil wala si Ellison at si Ma'am Arnie, nagpa siyang manahimik muna for a while. Meron akong bagong makakasama ngayon. Dilaw na dilaw yung suot no? Pakilala ka nga.
Hello, good morning. I'm Ellen ko.
Oh, di ba? Mo?
Hindi po, ko.
Ako. Oh, yan. Si Edeline ko. Ayan. Nakasama na natin siya the other week. Of course, welcome po. Sabado na naman. Marami tayong pag-uusapan. May pinakita kahapon si Ellison sa akin sa Facebook. Meron yatang mga nabigyan ng magandang write-up sa mga dun sa mga naging bisita natin nung mga nakaraang pagkakataon. Anyway, makakasama po natin this morning ang founder po ng guestlist.ph. Mamaya alamin natin kung sino yan at kung ano yan. Papakilala ko muna si Ronster Baetyong. Tama ba ako, bossing? Baka mamaya mali na naman pronunciation ko na apelido.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Pangalan ko is Ron.
Ron.
Yes. Ronster is my party name.
Party name. So party animal si Ron.
Yeah.
Hi Ron, good morning and welcome back sa
Thank you for having me back here.
Yan, talagang medyo puyat ka pa yata.
Yeah, came from the club last night.
Yan, alam niyo naman pagka sinabing party, di ba? Gabi yan. Ikaw ba, galing ka ng party?
Hindi po ako nagpo-party.
Bakit? Boring.
Children's party.
Children's party.
Hindi po. Busy po sa school.
Wow, ganun lang sa school. After the school, pwede na yan.
Hindi po, kasi po, gabi po yung uwi ko
Party naman yung gabi. Sabado ngayon, Friday kahapon. Okay, sige. Hi, ma'am. And of course, Orange Apps and Kauna.com. Si Gian. Hi, Gian.
Hello, sir.
Is it Habilona?
Habilona po.
Habilona. Ayan. Hi, Gian. And welcome sa Inquirer Radio. Okay. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon, itong mga ito. Tama ba? Tama yung pangalan ko, no? Dalawa lang tayo. Wala nang darating. Yung mga estudyante, bakit wala? Oh. Pinagsasalitang pilit eh.
Final exam nila.
Final.
Graduating students, hawak ko.
Kaya wala sila ngayon. After na mag-review, after ng ano. Next Saturday. Anyway, sige. Sa susunod na Sabado, makakasama ho natin mga estudyante ni Ma'am Arnie from UST. Guest list. Bossing, anong ba itong guest list na ito? Pakipaliwanag ulit para sa ating mga listeners.
So again, guestlist.ph is an app that gets you into the best clubs, events, and parties in the Philippines for free. So kung gusto nyong magpa-guest list, gusto nyong lumabas at mag-gumimik, if you're not on the guest list, you have to pay the cover charge or the entrance fee.
Oo, kung magkano yun. No?
It ranges from 200, the lowest, up to 1,000. Depends on which area.
Entrance pa lang yan.
Yes. And that's only inclusive of like a drink or two.
Hindi masarap.
Now, if you're
free.
Right. If you're on the guest list, that's basically waived. The problem is it's very hard to get on the guest list of a club.
Yes.
Because you have to look for a promoter who can help you out, and you have to beg him, you have to text all the names of the people that you get there. In worst case scenario, when you get into the club,
puno na.
No, your name's not on the list.
May ganun.
Okay. So you're gonna end up like everyone else who's trying to call someone who can get them in. So it's very embarrassing because the reason why you're going out because you need to you want to party, you want to have fun.
Oh yeah, you want to
and
enjoy.
During that experience, if you get all that hassle and all that stuff, you're gonna lose that fun factor. So instead of having the best night ever, it can be the worst night ever.
Yes.
So what we did was we created an app because I was like that. Sako dun sa mga tao na hirap na hirap pumasok sa guest list. Lahat na yan ang experience ko. Ang haba ng pila, wala yung name ko sa guest list, wala akong ID, mukha daw akong hindi dapat papasok doon.
Uy, sobra naman, di naman.
They're very strict. So you have to validate that. So I created an app. Sabi ko, hey, if I experience this, there's gotta be millions of people who experience this every time.
Yun.
So,
kailan ba ito ginawa?
It was my thesis in college, actually. I studied entrepreneurship in UST. I don't know how to code. I have no idea how to code. So fortunately, my mentor Joji Azurin had a talk in UST about how to make money online.
Okay.
And that right then when he was talking in UST, he's like, "Hey, I want to create a website." But I didn't know how to do it.
Yes.
So I kept going to him like, "Sir, help me out. I want to come up with this, this website." But when I introduced it to my professors, because there's in the history of UST, there's entrepreneurship. There's never been a tech business ever done, and we are 400 years old.
Yes,
right. We're older than Harvard, right? So people thought I was crazy. It's like I was just making an excuse to go out and party. But I said, no, this is gonna create value because this will change the whole nightlife industry.
Yes.
The problem is, like, they don't understand. So I was defending my thesis for a span of at least 2 to 3 hours. The normal one is just around 1 hour.
Gano'n ba katatanda yung mga professor doon mo?
No, because their exposure, I can't blame them for it.
Yes, of course.
It's typical businesses. Majority of the graduates from UST always come up with either food carts,
the usual stuff.
Right. But here's my thinking. If you want to create a business, you want to be innovative. Because the vendors outside UST, they didn't study entrepreneurship to put up a food cart.
Yes.
Why are you studying for 4 years to put up a food cart like them? That doesn't make sense. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Nakita mo yun? Nag-create siya eh. Since nandoon yung hilig, di ba?
Opo.
Since ikaw sa school ka lang, di ba?
Hindi po, kasi po may nagyayari naman po sa akin na gumimik. Yun nga po, kailangan po talagang mag-guest list ka. Kunyari po, katulad, for example po, pag sa Tomas Morato, di ba marami pong bar doon?
Yes.
Meron po, yung mate ko po, may kakilala po siya. Kahit po pala may kakilala ka doon, tapos nagpa-guest list ka, pag marami po talaga nagpumupunta doon, hindi ka susulat
That's why
pangalan.
na-create ni Ron.
Nung pumunta po yung mga friends ko doon, wala po yung names nila.
Yes.
Kaya nagbayad po talaga sila ng
yan,
ng
di ba?
payment talaga.
So how it works, Ron? For example, yun nga, ganun yung problem.
Yeah.
Ayaw ko na ma-experience in the future.
Right.
Paano gagawin ko?
Kasi the normal process is you have to text that promoter.
Yes.
And I can't blame a promoter if they're getting thousands of names and they have to encode that manually. Malamang is there's gonna be names that's gonna be missed out. So I created a website. So all you gotta do is go to www.guestlist.ph or download our brand new iOS app available on App Store.
Meron na.
Just sign in through Facebook. You only have to do it once, and then all the events that you want to go through are there.
Kompleto na siya.
All you have to do, push a button,
Yes.
and that's it. You get a text notification saying you're on the guest list with all the instructions that you have to do, basically.
Yun. So,
Then you get to the club, say, I'm from guestlist.ph.
Ayan.
Boom. It's direct to the club. We're not
mayabang
working with
ka nun.
promoters.
Nakita mo?
Right.
So, next time, yun na. Bumisita ka sa guest.
Hindi na po kailangan. Kunyari po, masusulat na po lahat doon.
Yeah, it's automatically going directly to them. Plus, we just released our brand new iOS app because when you go to the club, you still have to present your ID. Now, what we realize is that in order to make it as smooth as possible with no hassle whatsoever, if there's two things that you're gonna bring when you go out, it's two things: your phone and your wallet.
Yes.
Right? You don't want to bring anything else.
Yes.
Hey, there's my ID. I look ugly in this
ka
license of
papakita
yours. Right. So we created this technology. It's called the Party ID. So you just flash this, you have it scanned, and you're in. With all your information, your picture, your name, your birthday.
Ano
So
po yun? Sure na po yung naka-list yung names nyo doon.
Yes.
Hindi na po nila pwedeng anuhin.
Subukan mo kasi.
Do
Next weekend, mag-party tayo.
No, tonight.
Tonight, pwede. Sabado ngayon. Wala namang pasok bukas eh. Para
Bawal
masubukan
po
na.
eh.
Hindi ba? Papaalam ka ni Ma'am Arnie. Then next week, i-explain mo kung paano, how it works. Tapos isama mo yung mga friends mo para hindi bawal. Tinuruan gumimik.
Kailangan po talaga, hindi, di ba po, sa pag tumatawag po tayo sa bar, di ba, susulat na lang po nila. Doon po ba sa ginawa nyo, talagang sure na po nandun po yung pangalan nyo, hindi na po ba mabubura yun?
Yes.
Hindi na po.
Ma'am Arnie talagang gusto niya. Pag sure na sure ako rito.
Actually, try it out. Go to the site or download the app. Try it out. Go to any club because we're basically partnered with everyone from Republic, the most high end to Privé, all the way to Tomas Muerto. We're partnered.
Lahat po ng bar.
Yes, clubs.
Sa clubs.
Because the difference between bars and clubs is clubs have a cover charge. You have to pay to get in. Bars, you can just basically walk in, hey, give me a beer. That's it. So, yeah.
Lahat po yun. Ano
Lahat.
nyo na po.
Yes.
Club. Ibang club yung pinupunta ng isa ron. Wag yun. Wholesome to. 10:18. Orange Apps. Yan. Sige yan. Ano ba yung Orange Apps?
So, Orange App is an educational company. We're building education technology for schools, for institutions, also for companies.
Uy.
So, what we did, we just launched our new product and we call it Kauna.com.
Kauna.
So, Kauna basically came from a word Ikauna,
Ikaw
which
na.
is
Pero may H ito
Yes, so KHAWNA.com.
Kauna.
So we believe that each and every person in this country has a vital role to make this country successful.
Yes.
So there's a huge gap between the industry learning and yung mga skills that's required in the companies right now. And what we realize is that in the end of the day, the main value proposition of education really is employment. So anong nangyayari, once the students graduate, once they applied, hindi fit yung skills na meron sa kanila. So that's why nagkaaroon tayo ng high rate of underemployed Filipinos. So that's why we wanted to solve that problem. So we created this website na kung saan yung mga tao makakapag-aral po ng libre. So currently, we have 16 classes. We have Android development. We have programming, PHP. We also have voice acting. So business planning.
Voice acting.
Yes po. So we have Miss Janet Toral. We have Pocholo Gonzalez. So lahat po nagtuturo sa platform
Puro
namin.
nandito yun
is from industry
si Janet
experts.
at si Cholo, yes.
So yun po yung gusto namin ma-solve na problem. And currently, yung imagine sa isang classroom, as a teacher, natuturo ka lang sa isang like 30 students.
Yes.
With us, currently, we have 300 students in one class. So, growing pa po yun.
Galing.
So,
Ma'am
right
Arlie,
now,
hindi ko galing.
Yeah. Parang ganito lang.
Oo.
So, may...
Lapit ka sa mic. Okay lang. Oh, ganda nga ng voice mo.
Baka ma-penalize tayo dahil ganito boss ko. Anyway.
Bedroom voice.
Ganda nga
yes.
eh.
Okay. Yung setup nito, parang ganito na may teacher on one venue and then parang ang meeting mo and
the whole world po.
borderless.
Actually, nung nilaunch namin, nagulat po kami na yung mga students namin is not just coming sa Metro Manila, but more or less sa provinces and yung mga nasa ibang bansa. Kasi yung need ng mga students to learn this stuff and yung mga nagtitake ng, let's say, Android development, hindi po sila yung mga com-sci student or IT. Sila po yung mga nasa other courses na interested matuto nito. Pero anong nangyayari, hindi na nila kailangan mag-aral ng 4 years or short courses na matatagal para lang matutunan yon. They could go to our website and then they can learn for free.
Paano siya binuo yung apps?
So, it's my need kasi. So, I started the company without knowing how to do marketing, sales, or finance. So, it's my need. Anong nangyari, I need to go to a mentor or sa mga industry experts para lang matutunan yung mga gandong experience. So, nung nakita ko yung need na yun, I wanted to build this platform para din sa ibang tao. So, that's why we created this platform para i-offer din sa mga ibang student.
Galing. Oh.
It was inspired based on my experience in Tacloban as well. Kasi when I was there, nakita ko yung need ng mga bata. And nung ginawa na namin siya, natuwa kami kasi one guy from Tacloban, hindi sila nakakapag-aral. Pero dahil daw sa platform namin, nakakapag-aral sila ngayon at hindi maroratin yung mind nila.
Oo nga, Marnie.
Okay, how would I enroll? Do I have to enroll?
Yes, you just need to go to the website. Pwede po kayong pumili ng class, kahit anong class at kahit ilang class.
So, you have to have your email ad.
You just need to sign up via Facebook.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, dali. Ed, active ka sa Facebook kung ano-anong pinupunta mong website.
Hindi po.
Total, mahilig ka mag-aral eh.
Opo.
So, para sa'yo yun din.
Para sa'yo yan, oh. Pero kailangan mo rin mag-relax.
Paano kung, kunyari, yung mga yun nga yung sinabi mo pong mga batang yung hindi makapag-aral, di ba po, need po ng computer, ng Facebook. Paano po yun? Wala po silang Facebook, wala po silang internet, wala rin po silang computer. Paano po sila makakapag-aral?
Currently ngayon, kung makikita mo, kasi nanggaling kami sa mga provinces and mas nakakagulat makita na mas may smartphone na yung mga tao kasi sa may laptop sila. And in terms of Facebook,
free, di ba?
It's for free, everything. And currently, we're working with this partnership with the telcos as well para kapag nakaganong SIM card sila, they could use it for free. So, we're also working on those stuff. So, we just launched it like 1 week pa lang siya ngayon. And currently, we have like 1,600 signups and 30,000 page views. And then yung users namin from US, Singapore, Malaysia. So, yun yung magandang nangyari.
Pero doon ako na yung sinabi mo, hindi lang Metro Manila, even provinces.
Yes.
Excited, eager yung mga tao na...
Yun po yung totoo. Nakita namin yung sobrang gutom matuto ng mga tao.
Yes.
Pero problema, wala silang opportunity.
How about yung age bracket? Ano nakita ninyo?
Ang mas nakita po namin more or less nasa college.
College,
especially yung mga gagraduate. Kasi alam nila na yung skill sets na meron sa kanila ngayon kulang. Kasi the curriculum in education doesn't change yearly, di ba? Pero the skill sets required in the industry change quickly. So, yun yung gusto namin masolve.
Sino namili ng mga subjects?
Ang nangyari po ngayon, kami po yung kumausap sa mga teachers na yun to put the classes on it. Pero we'll be providing this new feature na kung saan sila po yung pipili. Kung sino yung mas mataas, yun po yung uunahin na class.
Ang galing.
So, ang pinakamataas po namin yun is nasa Android and sa programming na PHP. We have 300 and 200 plus on that part. So, imagine 300 sa isang teacher. Pero ngayon, posible pong mangyari yun.
Gawin mo sa sa klase yun. Gulo yun. Paano maharapin yung ganun karami? 300.
So, fully online siya. Fully online. So,
yes
paano
po.
yung...
Ang mangyayari po nun, the classes is recorded, pero they can interact with the teachers and other students using the social, mini social on the platform.
Oh, okay. So, ang learning experience niya, parang, paano walang exam. Gusto ko
Meron
malaman
po.
kung paano nyo ginawa yung program. Kung ano yung mga modules na kasali doon. So, class notes, then
So,
reads.
meron po yung exam. So, after po nila may mga modules po. So, yung modules na yun, pinaprovide po ng mga industry experts. So, sila po kasi yung may experience in the industry. And they know kung ano yung mga required skills na kailangan ngayon pag you applied for a job. So, yun yung nilalagay nila. So, kung ano yung mas kailangan. And then, nangyari, after every na class na tinake mo, may mga exams yun na pwede mo i-take.
Naman, may upuan nga naman. Di bakit ka nakatayo kasi? Kahit ako nakalimutan ko po.
Hello. Ayan.
Buti may technician
sali na nga ako.
Naawa siya sa iyo.
Yes. Na-miss ko mo po dito sa harap. Ayan. Ikaw na nga, Gian. Galing mo. Anyway, so sabi mo, so you have to enroll, you have to have your Facebook account.
Yes po.
And then,
Kahit po,
pili ka
hindi
ng
po-
course.
Yes.
So, walang prerequisite.
Wala po.
So, interest lang.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So, pag nandun na ako, so you have to...
Walang math.
Walang math?
Walang exam. Yun ang mahirap.
For now po, wala pa po yung math namin. Pero we wanted to focus on STEM, science, technology, entrepreneurship, mathematics.
Oh, very good. Ang galing. Okay, tama yan.
Yung ka ng math.
This is 100% Filipino-owned.
Yes po.
Okay.
Wow.
Kasi madaming LMS, gawa ng...
Ibang bansa.
Yes.
Teka, when you say LMS?
It's a learning management system.
Okay.
Na nandun na lahat. That you can do, pwede mo siyang gamitin face-to-face with web courses, online courses.
Pero the difference po between us really is that the contents that are being provided on the platform is created by the companies because the companies are the ones hiring the students, right? Anong nangyari, as a student, graduate ako yun, I will apply for a job. Pero hindi ko alam ano yung required skills na kailangan ko once I enter that. Ngayon, si companies na nanoblema rin kasi yung mga skills na nag-a-apply sa kanila, hindi pa ganun ka-fit. So, mangyayari, they will provide these trainings and then si students mag-a-attend ng training and then sa kanila pwede kunin yung student.
Ang galing ng business model nila. Ang galing ng concept nyo. Yung objective nila, nakuha talaga nila yung problem. And then they were able to...
Tumbok nila.
Yes. Provide the solutions. Ang galing naman. Anyway, so, yun na, mag-enroll ka lang according to your interest and needs. Tapos, may mga schedules yan or one-time lessons?
Meron pong schedules yun. So, ang mangyayari for now, like for example, nagkakaroon po kami ng crowdsource na classes na kung saan dun, yung mga students po yung mamimili kung ano yung mas gusto nilang class na attendant. Let's say right now, Android po talaga yung pinakamataas namin. So, yun yung uunahin naming class. So, we're also going to talk with other people na interested on teaching as well, like yung mga business people na gusto nila mag-share. Ang maganda po dun, yung 16 teachers namin, hindi po sila humingi ng kapalit sa ginagawa nila ngayon. They just wanted to share their knowledge.
But you qualify also volunteer teachers kasi, ano ba, feel ko lang magturo.
Yes.
Paano ba yun?
Yes po. So, yun po yung nakita namin.
May
Maraming
quality
taong
control din
gustong
naman.
gumawa nun. Ang mangyayari, meron po kaming freemium model na kahit sinong teacher po sa buong mundo, kahit taga-Africa pa yan, pwede po magturo sa platform namin. And it's for free. They could use up to 2 classes na pwede nilang gamitin. So, like for example, you're a teacher po, pwede na po kayong gumamit ng platform namin para maturuan po, hindi lang sa loob ng classroom nyo, pero sa buong mundo. At ang maganda po doon, pwede nyo rin siyang pagkakitaan kasi pwede nyo pong lagyan ng value yung class nyo. So ngayon, yung mga teachers, pwede na rin kumita as well.
Okay.
What do you mean? Ano yung value?
Pwede nyo pong lagyan ng price yung class nyo, kung gusto nyo po.
Kung gusto.
Pero so far, walang naglalagay.
For now po, wala po.
Kasi,
Nakakaya naman. Papakiramdaman nyo. Hindi. Siyempre gusto nilang tumulong. Sino kayo
halimbawa si Ron. Example si Ron.
Wala pang benchmark kung magkano. Hinihintayan sila.
So, he has this expertise.
Yes.
Parang yung student, from the point of view of student, pwede niyang ma-deliver yon kasi na-experience ni Ron yung
I
needs.
totally agree po. Kasi I know the story of Sir Ron. Alam ko yung story niya and the problem is, paano ko malilink yung sarili ko sa kanya? Paano ako matututo sa kanya? Dahil wala pong platform na ganun. So, we wanted to create that platform. Kung meron man physically. So, anong nangyari, yung mga taga-probinsya, nagbabayad pa ng pamasahe, ng entrance para sa event na yun, para lang matutunan yung mga experience ng mga may katulad niya. So, ngayon, posible na mangyari.
So, pwede, si Ron pwede mag-apply as teacher
course po.
for free.
Party class.
Yes, very good. Uy, actually, kailangan natin yan. Kailangan yan. Kailangan yun. Marami kasi tayong, hindi natin alam yung being sociable.
Matali Android. Dadaming party na tayo.
Because looking at it, we're actually on the opposite side of the spectrum. He's tech. I'm non-tech. My main skill set is biz dev, sales, marketing. I'm the extreme extrovert guy. I feel more productive when I'm out there talking to people, blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
But Gian has this ability to build product and conceptualize everything. So in terms of teams, kasi for one startup to succeed, you have to have the right mix of talent. Hindi pwedeng puro dev kayo. Hindi pwedeng puro sales. Kasi hindi balance. Like in my case, I failed a lot during this is my third try. Because I didn't have the right people to work with. And now I'm working with this company called ProudCloud, who's one of the best Ruby on Rails development companies in the world. And then it's funny because one of his batchmates from PUP, I don't know what's in that school, but they come up with really good.
Galing nila.
And kabatch niya, batang-bata pa, he wrote 80% of the code in Yes. His name is Robbie Marcelo. He's listening. What up? So, yeah, he's really good.
Galing,
and just coming up with the right mix of talent will be good enough. Kasi hindi pwedeng in balance. Kasi hindi ka
matulungan tayo rin.
I totally agree. Sa amin din, sir, yun din yung story. Yung team ko, like si Shim ngayon kasama ko, siya po yung CEO namin. Sa team po namin, lahat po kami sobrang passionate and imagine all of them quit their jobs because of they believe of our vision. And totoo yung sinabi niya na hindi pwedeng lahat kayo programmer, hindi lahat kayo sales, hindi lahat kayo business. So kailangan may perfect mix and perfect combination.
Okay ito mga pelikula di ba? Hindi lahat bida, may kontrabida. Ganun lang tayo. Okay, mamaya babalikan. Ang dami nagte-text. Mamaya babasahin natin isa-isa. And of course, baka gusto ho ninyong mag-ano pa. Pero sa aming Facebook sa Twitter account. Ano ba? Radyo Inquirer, di ba? Radyo Inquirer. Ayun, 990@yahoo.com. 0919-290-9646. Yun po yung aming text line. Pwede rin kayong tumawag 519-1875 saka 519-1876. Babalik kami, sandali lang ho. Commercial break lang. 10:32 na po ating oras.
Inquirer Radio. This is Inquirer Radio. 990 AM. 990 AM. Ngayon, gabi-gabi nyo nang mapapakinggan ang programang Lunas Kalungsugan. Lunas Kalungsugan. Kasama pa rin ang batikang broadcaster at writer pang kalungsugan, si Kuya Rudy Liwanag. Kasama din si Dr. Joe at si Nico Light. Subaybayan at tumutok sa programang ikinasisigla ng bawat Pilipino, lalo na ang mga senior citizens. Lunas Kalungsugan. Lunas Kalungsugan. Linggo hanggang Biyernes, alas 9 hanggang alas 10 ng gabi at alas 9 hanggang alas 10:30 ng gabi tuwing Sabado. Dito sa Inquirer Radio 990 AM. Ang Lunas Kalusugan ay may free check-up tuwing Sabado at Linggo mula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang 1 ng hapon sa 4th floor Guadalupe Commercial Complex, EDSA Makati, tapat ng MRT station. Tumawag sa telephone number 514-4597 o mag-text sa 0927-838-3828.
Pagkat yan lang ang yaman mo.
Balita, showbiz, sports, opinyon, serbisyo publiko at iba pa. Lahat ay mababasa mo sa Bandera. Masarap kasama sa almusal, kaya bumili na at gawing bisyo ang Bandera araw-araw.
We give you not just first-hand news. We bring you to where it is happening as it happens. Fast, factual, comprehensive information. Balanced and fearless views. Fair commentaries. Entertainment. Public service. This is DZIQ Inquirer Radio 990 AM.
Ang galing mo naman. V-Gatin sa Radio Inquirer 990 AM.
May bibilin ka ba? Baka naman may gusto kang ibenta. Log on na sa vgatintrade.com. Nasa internet na, nasa radyo pa. Basta bigatin, bigatin ka talaga. Are you looking for the hottest gadgets, the latest fashion accessories, the most sumptuous buffets, or the best travel packages? VGatinDeals.com offers unbelievable deals, promotions, and discounts that will let you live more for less. Bargain hunting online has never been this fun, easy, and rewarding. Visit VGatinDeals.com today. Live big. Be a VGatin.
A perfect place for relaxation. You can choose from among an array of room designs depending on your mood. You can expect privacy, security, comfort, and convenience. Hotel Sogo is affordable and offers great services. Secured parking, 24-hour food and beverage service, and free Wi-Fi. Relax only at Hotel Sogo. Have a worry-free experience? Come at Hotel Sogo. So clean, so good. Feel and experience.
VGatin sa Radio Inquirer 990 AM.
Okay, going back. Balik ho tayo dito sa VGatin Inquirer Radio 990 AM. Ay, meron lang tayong announcement dito. Yung pong mga gustong pumunta ng Boracay this summer o kaya Holy Week, may promo po ang VGatinDeals.com. Pwede ito. La Carmela de Boracay, located po yan sa Station 2. Murang-mura. Eds, baka gusto mong dalhin ng barkada, 775 pesos lang per person. Limited rooms po ito, kaya dapat unahan, sabing ganyan. Dito sa VGatinDeals.com. Pwede kayo tumawag, 945-2568.
Ang dami nang bumili doon din.
Ang dami, nag-uunahan. Carmela, di ba? Murang-mura. 775 lang. Unang tanong, sa'yo yan.
Hello, good morning. This is Darwin from Novaliches. Do you need to pay kapag magpapa-reserve sa guest list?
Yan, may bayad daw ba?
If you wanna go into a club to just the guest list, it's absolutely free. But if you wanna pay us, I'd love to.
Yes, of course.
But it's free. I'm just kidding. So yeah, you can just go to guestlist.ph and it's free. Absolutely.
Walang babayaran. Pumunta lang kayo. Eto, gusto kong tanong. Hi, I'm Janelle of Caloocan. Para sa iyo to, Ron. Tanong ko lang po, if saan ang pinaka-wild na club sa Quezon City?
Oh, that's a wild card.
Wild, ah?
Wild. In terms of wildness, I would have to say Gillies, because they've been there for 8-9 years already. All the other clubs there has just been new.
Sa QC, Timog?
Yeah, it's right across ABS-CBN.
Okay.
Gillies.
Gillies.
Then there's one called Prime, and then Excess. Just like no bias, but just based on my experience.
Yes.
I've had a lot of crazy nights in those clubs.
Yan Janelle. Sinagot niya. Kala mo hindi sasagutin, ha?
And they're all on guest list.
Yung tanong ni Gerald, nasagot na rin about the charge. Okay.
Good morning. May reservation po ba para makapunta o maka-attend ng party na magaganap?
No, you just have to go to guestlist.ph, join that event that you want to go to. Our cutoff is until 9 p.m. on the same night. So if you have a last-minute decision, you can still do it. And then we just released this brand new feature that's VIP. When you're a VIP, you can pretty much go anytime, anywhere. You don't have to guest list. Because guest lists have a cutoff. Say, for example, if you don't make it ng, say, 12 midnight or 1 a.m., tapos naka-guest list ka, you have to pay na. But when you're VIP, you can pretty much go to any time, even if it's 3 a.m. Sabi ko, sige, gimmick nga ako. Then you can just show your party ID. It's only that feature is only available on the App Store. Go from club to club to club, and it's just for $4.99. And you can buy up to +3. What's the +3? So for example, I'm a VIP, but my friends are not VIPs.
Yes.
If you buy up to +3, you can hook up your friends up to +3, go from club to club to club to club.
Oh. Galing.
$4.99. That's not cheap. That's 5 days of ipon. I mean, that's cheap. That's 5 days.
Pero sulit na.
Yes.
Pwede mo nang ubusin yung oras mo ron.
Okay, so you don't want to go through that hassle. You're a VIP, you should experience that VIP.
Of course.
Experience.
Hindi ka naman VIP for nothing, di ba? Yun. Hello po, Jayho ito. Madali po bang gamitin ang guest list para sa mga new users?
Yes, all you gotta do is go to www.guestlist.ph, sign in with Facebook, press OK, then you're in.
Oh, yan. May limit daw ba yung reservation? Sabi ni Israel ng QC.
The guest list maximum has 100 guests per event, but that rarely happens. There's so many events. We're partners with all the clubs.
Yeah.
There's 20 clubs in Manila, and you have so many clubs to choose to. So that never happens.
Oh, yan. Sa'yo ulit. Isa pang tanong. Maraming tanong eh.
Party time.
Hi, this is Ismael of Caloocan. Ano po ba yung guest list na at paano po ba makakapagpa-reserve?
It's a website or it's
It's a
an app
website,
that gets you into the best clubs, events, and parties in the Philippines for free. So all you have to do is go to www.guestlist.ph or download our iOS app on the App Store and just sign in with Facebook and join the party that you want to go to. Invite your friends and that's it.
Ayun.
We're having Android at the end of the month, by the way.
Yan. Okay. 10:40. Simon Samson ng Manila Bulletin nakikinig sa Inquirer. Sabi niya, ayan, happy birthday daw sa kanyang brother, si Boy, Magician Samson. And definitely pupunta raw siya sa party. Yan ang sinabi niya. At magpa-party raw siya. Yan, meron na kayong Suki from Manila Bulletin.
Hey, thank you by the way from Manila Bulletin for featuring us last week.
Uy, ganoon. Inquirer susunod, i-feature din kayo. Naunahan tuloy kayo kasi di. Yan. 10:41. Dapat kasi kikinig kayo rito. Dami na magaganda. Ma'am, ikaw.
Ayan. Alam mo, nabanggit or na-feature sila or they were able to featured in the Tech in Asia? Would you like to mention that?
Yes, Tech in Asia, basically, because honestly, there's not a lot of nightlife apps in Asia. And arguably, we're the biggest.
Okay.
And we even made it all the way to Singapore, Australia, and up to New York. So yeah, this app can get you into the best clubs, blah, 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 blah. Because our vision is not... This year, what we're trying to do is not just be in Manila. Next week, I'm going to be in Cebu. So we're going to open up Cebu.
Galing.
May or June, we're going to have Boracay, Baguio, Davao, all these places. Because by this year, I want to be all over the Philippines.
Yes.
And next year, I want to be in another country. Southeast Asia.
Iba na. Eto, gusto kong tanong na ito. May tanong kanina, nasa na? May libre po bang pulutan? Inuman lang gusto ito.
There's no free drink, pulutan, but we have this thing called the VIP night. If you're a VIP, like last night, we executed the VIP night. If you're a VIP of Guest List, there's a certain club every night that you're gonna have free drinks for. So, like tonight, our VIP night is gonna be in excess. If you're a VIP, you can just go there. We're gonna give you free drinks, and plus get promos. Say, for example, our sponsor, say like Hennessy.
Yes.
Hennessy will give you exclusive because you're a VIP, say 10% or 20% off of a bottle.
Yes, okay.
Because you're a VIP on Guest List.
Talagang pulutan lang yung tinanong, hindi yung drinks.
Sir Ron, di ba po guest list?
Right.
Paano nyo po malalaman kung 17, di ba bawal po ang sa bar ang 17?
Yes.
Paano nyo po malalaman yun?
Our app
Siyempre po, nagpa-guest list lang po sila.
Baka ibahin yung edad.
Siyempre, sasabihin po nila na 18 po sila, pero ang totoo, 16, 17, 15.
Okay, number one, the first filter is you can't join guest list if you're not 18. Number two, the iOS app, you have to be 18 and above to be able to download. And number three, I'm sorry, but if you look really young, the bouncers will not let you. So we can't do anything about that anymore.
Kaya lang po, di ba, nakakatawa
Edge, ilang taon ka na ba?
21 po.
Mukha ka lang, 21 ka na? Mukha ka lang 20.
Hindi po, di ba? Meron pong iba na mukha lang baby face, pero yung age po nila 21. Di ba meron po kadalasan na i-encounter na minsan hindi po nila pinapapasok?
Unfortunately, the best bet is bring an ID with a birthday and a picture. But unfortunately, if you really don't pass the standards of the club, I can't do anything about that anymore.
The birth certificate.
But that rarely happens. Just bring your ID or your party ID if you have an app. All your details are there. Your picture, your name, your birthday.
Okay.
We're all good.
Meron pa rito, ma'am. May iba yung tanong naman niya. Hello po, this is Jay from Bulacan. Ano po yung mga advantages ng Kauna sa ibang social media?
So, just to clear, we're not actually a social media
yes.
site.
Iba.
We're actually a learning platform where you could learn all the skill sets that you need in the industry right now. So, our vision really is to change the way the world learns. So, imagine by just using your phone, you could already study or take your classes right now. So, yun yung gusto namin i-revolutionize. By just using your phone, you could attend your classes and learn for free.
Okay.
This is Charles. Makakatanggap po ba ako ng details sa aking cellular phone about sa kauna.com kung wala po kaming internet o Facebook account?
So, hindi lang po kasi Facebook account yung login na pwede magamit. You could also use your emails. And we're also going to launch our mobile app soon. So, ang difference po nun, once you have downloaded the classes on your phone, kahit wala ka ng internet, pwede mo nang i-check yung class mo. So, imagine kahit nasa bus ka or nasa LRT ka, pwede mong i-take yung classes.
Okay. Follow-up question tayo, Eds.
This is Danny from Manila. Does Kauna has a full secured and
encrypted accounts
more better than FB?
Facebook has a good security. Pero sa amin din, we're using kasi a cloud-based technology. So, we're using Microsoft products para mas secure din yung database namin.
Iba yung kanila. Ma'am Arnie?
Mas curious ako kung kumusta yung startup nila. Di ba Ron? So, guestlist.ph. Panayang rinig ko free.
Kasi pagka free, di ba? Paano kita?
Okay. Alright. Because the way we make money, basically, okay, this is secret. There's 3 ways. We earn from the clubs.
Hindi ba nakikinig si Kiminares eh?
Okay. We earn from 3 ways: the clubs, brands, and users.
Yes.
The clubs, we get commissions off of table books and table reservations, but that feature is not up yet. Around May or June, we will release the table reservations. So when we release that, we're not just going to be talking about clubs anymore. We can do bars. Say if you want to go to Eastwood, mahirap mag-book ng table, tatawag ka lagi na, but book naman. Then you get there, you're not there. When you book a table, because a normal table in a club costs at lowest 5,000 all the way to 40,000. One table. No one can afford that all by themselves if you're just a normal student. So what we'll do is we'll make it like a group buying platform. So it's like, I want this table, I can only chip in 5 grand. You look for your friends on Facebook who can chip in with you. Or then you prepay. The club will reserve that because they know you've already paid for that.
Yes.
They will not give it away. Or second, if you don't want a table, you just buy a prepaid drink. Say, okay, I want a bottle of tequila tonight. Then I can prepay, boom. But since we work with brands, that's how I make money right now. We work through sponsorships. Because the brands, we help them out by giving them unprecedented data about nightlife that's not available anywhere else. We give them information of who goes where, what they do, and we give them the opportunity to market their brand directly.
Galing.
Then of the users, of course, the VIP membership. But it's a sweet deal because if you look at it, $4.99 can get you unlimited clubs for say 1 month. At $4.99, you go to say one night, you go to 3 clubs, you already recouped your money.
Sini lang yun di ba?
Right. And then if you go to another club on a different night, you're actually raking in the benefits. Alright, I'm a VIP, I can just go in. So that's it. We have a B2B, business to business, which is for the brands. Then B2C for
customers.
The users.
Si Gian, Orange Ops. Ilan na applications na nagawa, no?
So basically, this
Teka
is...
muna, bakit orange?
So we name it Orange Apps because...
Kasi may Apple na, ganun ba?
Yes, I really want to beat Apple one day. That's why I name it Orange Apps. And...
At bayabas.com. No. Para Pinoy na Pinoy. Anyway, sige, go ahead.
Yun yung main reason namin. So yeah, the story, it happened when I was a student PUP. It was last year, so I created it during my junior year, and we created this enrollment application for phones where students could check their grades using their mobile phone and get updates using their phone. So currently, that product is right now on 3 universities. We have PUP, San Beda College, and San Sebastian Recoletos. But we realized that for us to scale the product, and kung gusto namin na mas may effect yung product namin sa buhay ng mga tao, we need to solve a real world problem na kung saan it's really in education and learning. So that's why we created Kauna to make education available to every people around the world. So yun yung nilaunch namin a few days ago, and hopefully we could grow it really fast.
Galing, dami agad almost 1,000 yung members.
Yes, it's actually 1,600 plus.
Yun. Karoon ako ng idea, Ma'am Arnie. Bayabas Radio, di ba? Online. Why not, di ba? Mas mataas daw vitamin C ng bayabas compared to orange. Anyway, 10:50. Meron pa dito. Ito. May tinatanong siya. Si Marie ng QC.
Pag nag-download po ba ng guestlist.ph application, may mga previous pa
previous
po ba?
naman to. Kanina pulutan eh.
But not always. Like, for example, if a brand wants a sponsor, because the brand, the way they market is they do sampling anyway.
Maraming binibigay.
Right, so they're gonna do it with us. Like, for example, if there's gonna be free drinks on this night, we're gonna let you know. But not consistently, because malulugi na sila.
Oo naman.
But there's gonna be big events. If, for example, they're throwing a big event at this club, and there's gonna be free drinks, most likely gonna use our platform. When you get there, there's gonna be free drinks or an open bar.
Yes.
So for 2 hours, okay, open bar. You drink all you can.
Okay. Parting-part niya.
Yes. Umaga pa din.
Ang galing
Oo.
Lalo na yung VIP, parang gusto ko subukan eh.
Subukan mo din.
Astig yung dating mo eh. Sawa ka, sige.
Ang gawin mong badge. Si Ike.
Wag
bad. Okay, anyway. Si Gian.
Sabay ko si Guyito.
Si Gian. Gian, yun na nga. So, mostly, again, free ulit ang narinig ko. So, free for all, yung education, yung class notes, lahat free, yung learning free. Paano ka kumikita dito?
So, currently our main business model really is into the companies. So companies are subscribing on us to put their trainings and contents on our platform. And the students are able to access this for free. Another business model is going to be pag kinuha na ng mga employers na yun, yung mga students na nag-apply sa kanila. So imagine with Job Street, ang nangyari kasi resume and job posting. With us, during your performance, we're getting your performance. And the companies could actually filter it. Ayan. So, yun yung another business model.
Daming tanong ng mga nakikinig. Si Jay, maganda yung tanong eh. Nagre-release, since pinag-aaralan natin dito is classes, di ba? Ayan. Nagre-release ba kayo ng certificate pag nag-aral dyan?
So, yes. Actually, yun yung rin namin, another revenue model namin. So, imagine you could learn for free. You could take the classes for free. But if you want to have a certificate signed, let's say, by a teacher na sikat, or let's say, I wanted to take a class for MVP.
Nakapirma dyan yung Arnie Barcel.
Yeah. So, you just need to pay via SMS or via bank. So, via your load, you could already pay and have your certificate.
Oh, di ba?
Now you get it. Okay. Nakuha ko na.
Galing.
Malaki din. Malaki yung return of investment mo.
Pero sa mga teachers, nagpapakiramdaman muna. Free pa tayo ngayon.
Kung meron lang mga nagbigay ng open source, free. Tayo pa kaya?
Tulungan naman, di ba?
Diba?
Ay, Sir Gian, may tanong po ako. Diba po sabi niyo po, karamihan po college. Di ba po, pag college ka, may OJT po. Paano po, may OJT po ba tong site nyo?
So, it's also a problem, diba? Paano kayo maghahanap ng internship program? So, yun din yung tinitignan namin, pero hindi pa ngayon. Kasi, ang goal namin really is a global brand of education technology. So, we need to solve a problem one at a time. So, for now, yun muna yung sinasolve namin. Kasi it's really big problem.
Galing. Alam mo, yan ang maganda sa learning. Ang party kasi definite na yan. Yan. Ang objective niyan ay having fun, mag-relax ka, and then build network. Ang learning, ang dami pang possibilities na pwede mong
Di ba, akala natin sa classrooms lang.
Maraming sasali talaga dyan na mga...
So, before you... Kailangan kasi mag-aral ka muna within the day, and then after mag-aral within the day, punta kayo kay guest list para makapag-relax. So, the next day, punta kayo ulit sa amin.
Pag may araw na. Hindi, ganito. Sa araw kayo. Gabi
sa araw kami, sa gabi si guest list.
Vernal equinox yan, hati. Equally. Gabi, araw. Ganun lang naman.
Maganda. Galing.
So, do you have an idea na kung paano?
Na
may mga, alam ko, tumatakbo na yung Ang dami mo ng...
Eto, ganito lang.
Dami mo ng ideas na.
Hindi naman ako napaos dahil kagabi
Yun nga kasi galing ng party.
Totoo lang po kasama ko si
Yes. On national radio.
Napagod kasi siguro.
Ganito yun siya. Meron kasi kami, nag-house kami ng mga seminarians. Pag pumupunta sila dito sa Manila. So, kahapon, kasi kailangan mo silang i-expose. Seminarians to, so mga magpapare. So, kailangan mo silang i-expose in reality. So, sinama namin sila sa TJ Grill. Dito malapit. Ayan. So, it's a karaoke. Meron siya. It's grill, restaurant. Siyempre,
may kantahan.
Inuman.
Teka, anong kinakanta ng mga seminarista?
Pare-parehas lang tayo kahit naman seminarians.
Pusong ba to? Kumakanta sila? Okay.
Ama namin remix.
Pa-order. Yung mga ganun.
Pa-order.
Alam niyo ba yun?
Oo. Kumakanta sila nun.
Anyway, ayun. Yun. Pero ako kasi, sa lecture ako napaos. Sa lecture. Anyway, ayun.
So, mag-lecture sa mga magpapari
Hindi naman. Ayun. So, maganda. Nag-party talaga din sila. Kailangan din kasi yun. So, kasi doon, it's another dimension. Diba? Medyo, wow.
And partying is a part of Filipino culture.
Yes.
Sabi nga nila, kahit anong mangyari, ang Pinoy iinom. May namatay, iinom. May birthday, iinom. Graduate, iinom. May nangyaring okay, iinom. Nag-break, iinom.
Yes.
It's always a part.
Pati nga politika rito. Kaya may political party, di ba? Sige.
Hindi nga talagang kailangan. Minsan, mahirap explain, pero may explanation naman talaga doon na bakit habang nag-uusap kayo ay meron kayong iniinom.
And we're the number 3 alcohol-consuming country in the world.
Yes.
Ayan. Pero kailangan, in the morning, kahit puyat ka, mag-aral ka. Kung may schedule, ito ba yung may schedule, di ba?
Yes,
Kau na.
Sila pwedeng mamili ng schedule or may fix na schedule.
Meron pong specific na time yung classes. Pero after po nung, let's say matapos na yung classes, available pa rin yung classes na yun forever dun sa platform.
Hindi ito parang PMA na pag nalate ako ng 2 minutes, mayroon akong honor code na binabanggit din.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
As long as enrolled ka dun sa subject, pwede mong ma-open yun.
Yes.
Okay. Alam mo, maraming possibilities na pwedeng magawa doon sa kauna.com.
Anyway, pareho ko kayong sasalihan. Gusto ko mag-aral, gusto ko rin mag-party.
Yes, balance life.
So, babalansehin natin. Sumama ka na, Edge. Mukhang sigian lang gusto mong puntahan Pumunta ka rin kay Ron. Magpa-party tayo.
Okay lang yun. Wala namang...
Pagkatapos ko po. Grabe.
Napakabait. Sige po. Pagkatapos ko po.
Mabait si Eddie masyado.
Bawal po kasi mag-party.
Hindi nga, bawal. Bakit bawal? Ano bang gagawin mo? Mag-enjoy
Hindi
ka
po
na.
Kasi po, masyado pong yung parents ko po, baka daw po
ipapaalam ka namin.
Kailangan ready
seminarista
rin sila.
Kasama mo.
And just surround yourself with good people. People you trust. I mean, it doesn't mean that you're partying, that you're a bad person. There's that notion that, Jimmy Guerrero is not responsible. I did it. I was still in school and I was still doing this, but I never failed the subject. I was also student leader, and at the same time, I was doing my thesis and going to school. But you just have to be able to balance what you want to do.
Ganun yun. Yung life kasi, binabalanse yan. Ganun lang kasimple.
Baka magbago na isip ni Ed.
Hindi. Binabalanse ang life.
Yes.
Paano yan? Bilis na oras natin.
Nag-iisip na ako mamaya.
Ron, baka may mga gusto ka pang sabihin.
Just tune in to guestless.ph. We are gonna be announcing something really big tomorrow for this big party called Close Up Forever Summer.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
Just watch out tomorrow. Follow us on Facebook, at Guestless Philippines, and Twitter at guestless_ph. And of course, visit our site, guestless.ph. You can download our app at guestless.ph on the App Store as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So sa lahat po ng taong gustong tumulong sa amin, especially if you really believe in our vision that we could change this world, please join us. And kay Tito Boy Abunda, nakikinig ka.
Uy.
Sana, kauna. Sana you could support us. And sa lahat po ng tao, please check our website at www.kauna.com Kawna.com. KHAWNA.com.
Yeah, nag-open na ako.
Oh, yun.
Nung nag-launch sila, shinout out ko na. Kawna. Kawna Gian.
Punta
Kawna
ng party,
Ron.
salabat ang inumin mo. Oh, naparami.
Pasensya na
Si Ellison, simple, puyat yun kagabi. Kaya wala. Nag-party. Kaya wala siya today.
Anyway.
Oy, Eds, baka meron kang gigreet.
Ay, hello po sa mga World City Colleges, tsaka po sa parents ko, sa ate ko pong nasa Dubai, tsaka sa kuya ko, tsaka sa friends ko po. Yun po.
Yung friends lang.
Uy, mga kako-teachers ko,
Yes.
nagpapabati sila.
Oo.
Okay lang.
Walang pangalan?
Do I have to mention the
Yes,
names?
of course.
Sa Innovative Learning and Technology
Yeah.
section, kasi hawak ko nga ang LMS ng UST. Kaya, yes, yeah. And of course, sa UST, Faculty of Engineering, sa IE, sa mga graduates ngayon, congratulations sa inyo. At sa Faculty of Engineering, we have our awarding.
Kailan ba exam nila?
Tapos na.
Hindi,
Actually.
yung mga estudyante.
Undergrad, yung mga
undergrad.
hindi graduating sa March 18 to 22.
18. Oh, tama-tama. The following day, party naman.
Yes. Sigurado yun. Given yun.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next week, si Ellison, makakasama na ho natin dito sa Bigatin.
May nabanggit siya, di ba? YouTube and Amazon.
Next week na ba yun? Sana mag-confirm. Meron pang isa. Marami siyang bisita eh. Lalo na ngayong summer. And with that, bye-bye muna kami. Until next week ulit. Dito po sa Inquirer Radio 990 AM. Ako po si Dan Macaranas. Magandang umaga ho at happy weekend sa ating lahat.
This is Inquirer Radio 990 AM. 990 AM. Inquirer Radio. Pangkalahatang usapin, personal na katanungan. Walang problemang di nalulutas sa pag-uusap na bukas. So, let's talk. Mag-usap tayo. Walang problemang di nalulunasan sa mga nagkakaintindihan. Kung may isyong dapat na malinawan o dahilan ng hindi pagkakaunawaan, bigyan natin ng solusyon yan. Relax lang. Let's talk. Mag-usap tayo. Kasama sila Miss Liza Soriano, Ed Dural, at Department of Labor and Employment Director for Communications, Nikon Fameronag. Tuwing Lunes, Miyerkules at Biyernes, alas 7 hanggang alas 8 ng gabi sa Inquirer Radio 990 AM. Balitang patas at makatotohanan, advice, pampabuenas at tips na makabuluhan, nakalilibang na kwento at mga trivia na pampatalino, detalye sa karera, loto at opinyong swak sa panlasa ng masang Pilipino, entertainment news at click na chika, regular na mababasa sa bandera, ang diaryong hitik sa balita, buenas at chika, at kapatid ng pinagkakatiwalaang Philippine Daily Inquirer. Bili na, mabibili sa mga newsstands, selected branches ng 7-Eleven at National Bookstores. Mga araw-araw na pangangailangan, mga balitang may pakinabang, mas madali nang malaman, libre sa isang basahan. Patunay lang na the best things in life are libre. Makukuha ang #1 free newspaper araw-araw sa lahat ng MRT at LRT 1 and 2 stations. Inquirer Libre. Kung may sakit, karamdaman at katanungan sa iyong kalusugan, sagot yan ng Radyo Medico. Radyo Medico. Pag-uusapan ng mga impormasyong pangkalusugan, wastong pangangalaga sa katawan, mga diskusyong pampalusog ng kaisipan. Radyo